Hi everyone, Arby here, and today I'm gonna unbox something special I bought from Fully Book. The reason why I bought this immediately without checking the reviews online is because of its majestic cover. The print and the drawing is just too perfect. You see the Chinese lady riding on a dragon. I mean, how cool is that, right? But before tayo mag-continue sa unboxing, pa-shoutout muna sa dalawa kong friends, James Willar and Attorney Dominic Halili. I hope you're doing good and be safe. This is my first time to unbox something on YouTube, so sana magustuhan ninyo. Final thought, well, it has amazing stories and great drawings. So worth it yung 990 pesos ninyo. Definitely, i-display ko to sa library ko. So sa next video ko, ito naman yung i-unbox natin. Tales of Norse Mythology. So thank you very much for watching. Kita tayo next time.